Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the AI Instagram bot that I've built. So now this bot is very simple. We've seen these kinds of automations all over the internet over the last couple of months, and actually even prior to that, ManyChat existed, and you were able to have automated, very intense automations. But the thing is, there was no LLMs being used. It was simply automations. So you would have like a response, a general response to a keyword, or whenever somebody would message you, something would happen. But now it's a little bit different. So check this out. I'm just gonna run a quick little test here. So we're gonna execute the workflow. Now this bot that I've built, there is no actual there's nothing really there. It's not over a company or over any set rules. It's just simply using ChatGPT as a brain. However, you can give it a lot of context. Let's say you want to use this for your business. You could give it raw, concrete context. You could give it guardrails, parameters to follow. So let's ask it a basic questions. What are dinosaurs? And what is a square? Oops, sorry. Square. Let's see. So as we can see, the workflow just got executed, and dinosaurs were a group of reptiles that lived millions of years and dominated the earth during the Mesozoic era before going extinct. A square is a shape in geometry with four equal sides. So basically, that's what it is. It's very straightforward. Right now, it's just using ChatGPT to to answer the question. But the thing is, if you actually have a business and you're using this for your business, you have your FAQ, you have your general information for business, or they want to place an order, or they have an inquiry about an item, some dimensions, anything like that. This tool can easily answer all those questions. So if you're a solopreneur, let's say you just started your business, you have a tiny team, this tool can really be a game changer. And not only that, you could hook this tool up on your Instagram, on your Snapchat, LinkedIn, you name it. You could use this tool anywhere you'd like. Okay. So now, just a brief walkthrough. This is not a tutorial. I just wanted to show this tool. So, okay. So now, just to go over the workflow. This is a pretty basic workflow, and you only need a few different tools. You need the ManyChat subscription. Well, they have a free trial for 14 days, so you can actually use this for 14 days before you ever think about purchasing it. So you have the ManyChat for trial. You sign up to that. You need an OpenAI API key, so you could use your Chat GPT to communicate to answer the requests coming in from your customers on Instagram. And last but not least, n8n. Now this, as you can see, it's a trial. Now briefly, let's just go over the different kind of nodes we have going on over here. So number one, it's webhook. This is very easy, simple, self-explanatory, not hard at all. I'm just going to explain the logic behind it. This is basically the um, what pulls the chat from ManyChat. So this is what's kind of pulling that, if that makes any sense. Where does it pull it? It pulls it to the AI agent, right? So the AI agent has a predefined prompt. If you could see here, you are a helpful assistant. Your job is to answer my DMs. Okay, so that's what it does. What does it answer the DMs with? ChatGPT. You have a simple memory, and if you open this up, you're gonna see it could only keep a memory of about 50 chat 50 texts from the user. Now, this is something very basic. I'm not using this for anything, so I don't really need this for anything. Now, you could use a vector database in which the chat is going to be remembered for however long you set it. So it's really powerful what it could do. If you're building an actual business and you need your customer base, you could store that data somewhere safer and it won't forget. And last but not least, respond to webhook. So using this, we respond to the first thing. We respond to the message that we received. Anyhow, this is it in a nutshell. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, leave comments below and I'll definitely make a step-by-step detailed guide on how to set this up. If you need help setting any of these things up for your business, just send me a quick message on Gmail